The following video might not be suitable for everyone. Viewers' discretion is advised.
Hey man, you know where you watch? Dancehall skilla. Alright viewers and subscribers, my name is Dancehall skilla. But there here again, big up and respect to each and everyone. Alright, now in this video, I have some information to give to you and I have some things I want to talk to you about. But before I get started, I want to say this to each and everyone that some of the things that I'm about to say might not be suitable for everyone. Viewer discretion is advised. Alright? Now, I read a news article that gave me the understanding that the news article said that a female allegedly killed her lover while she was high during sex and hid body parts. Now, I'm going to read some words from this news article to you, my viewers and subscribers, but I want you to please bear in mind that I am not going to read word for word from this news article to you, my viewers and subscribers, but I'm going to do my best to give you a good understanding about this news article and about the whole situation. Now, according to this news article that I'm looking at right about now, I got the understanding that the news article said that a 24-year-old woman from within the United States of America allegedly killed and dismembered her lover during a drug-fueled sex session and then dumped parts of his body in a bucket and in a crack pot. According to the news article, it said that the female goes by the name of Taylor. I'm not sure how to pronunciate the other part of her name. However, the news article said that the female who goes by the name of Taylor then allegedly told the police they were going to have fun trying to find all of the organs. Another part of the news article said that the victim is said to be a 25-year-old Green Bay man whom investigators have not identified. And that's according to some words that I read in this news article right here, viewers and subscribers. Alright, now this news article had been published on the 2nd of March the year 2022, and according to this news article, the news article said on Tuesday, that would be the 1st of March the year 2022, the female who goes by the name of Taylor made her first appearance in Brown County Court via a video conference on charges of first-degree intentional homicide, mutilating a corpse, and third-degree sexual assault. The news article also said that prosecutors said that the sexual assault charge is for acts that took place after the man had died. Another part of this news article said that the police said that they were called to a home on Stony Brook Lane that is located somewhere within the United States of America on the 23rd of February, the year 2022, sometime at about 3:30 a.m. by a resident who reported finding a part of her son's body in a bucket. The news article also said that the female who made the report said that she made the shocking discovery after being awakened by a door being slammed, or the door slammed. Yes, what I say? Now, another part of this news article said that Taylor, who investigators learned may have been the last person to be seen with the victim, was found at a home on Eastman Avenue that is located somewhere within the United States of America with dried blood on her clothes. The news article also said that during a search of her van, police found a crack pot with human remains and other things that I don't want to mention right here, viewers and subscribers. You understand? See, now the news article said that at the mother's house, police later found other body parts and body fluid and knives. Yes, so may I say, viewers and subscribers, you see? The news article also said that when the female who goes by the name of Taylor was asked what happened, the news article said that the female said that that's a good question. The news article also said that she told the police that she and the man had been smoking meth before going to his mother's house where they had sexual intercourse and was using a chain. See? Now, another part of the news article said that Taylor said that she had blacked out at one point, then went crazy and began choking her partner, insisting that she did not mean to kill him but enjoyed choking him. Viewers and subscribers, you know what? There are more details to this whole situation right here. So may I say, yeah, there are more information in this news article, but I'm not going to say everything right here, viewers and subscribers. You know, I just try to make you get an understanding about the situation, and some of these words are just too much for me to say right now, viewers and subscribers. So I'm just going to leave this right here, and I'm going to move on to another topic. Now, I read more than one news articles that gave me the understanding that those news articles said that Ukraine claimed that they have killed one of Russia's army general. According to this news article that I'm looking at right about now, I got the understanding that the news article said that Ukraine's defense intelligence agency claimed that Russian army major general who goes by the name of Vitaly Gerasimov was killed, and other senior Russian army officers were also killed or injured near one of those cities that is located within the country that is known as Ukraine. According to this news article, I got the understanding that the news article said that Gerasimov was identified by the intelligence agency as the chief of staff and first deputy commander of the 41st Combined Arms Army. The news article also said that the agency claimed that data obtained related to his death show significant problems with communication in Russia's army and with the evacuation of their defeated units. See? Now, another news article said that Russia has not commented when it comes on to this whole thing where it is said that Ukraine claimed that they had killed the person who goes by the name of Gerasimov. However, according to this news article, the news article said, but if confirmed, he would be their second officer of this rank to be killed. See? And I also saw a news article that gave me the understanding that the news article said that Russian president who goes by the name of Vladimir Putin last week confirmed the death of one of their army general and mentioned the name. You understand? But you know, some of the times me have difficulties mention certain names, viewers and subscribers that me see news articles. You understand? See it? I won't go say that this is war within Ukraine will somehow over viewers and subscribers because it's really sad and it just get from bad to worse. You see me I say? Anyways, me just make you know about some things while I go on, and I'm going to move on to another topic. Now, I saw more than one pieces of video circulating on social media that shows some things that happened after a motor vehicle went off the bridge that is known as Flatbridge and plunged into the Rio Corby River within the vicinity of Flatbridge within the parish of St. Catherine, that's within the country that is known as Jamaica. Now, those videos that I saw had been posted on social media on the 7th of March, the year 2022. However, I did not get any confirmed information as to when the incident happened. I did not get any confirmed information how many persons was in the motor vehicle that went off the bridge and plunged into the river. Information about the situation are somewhat sketchy, viewers and subscribers, but based on some things that I saw and heard in at least one of those videos that are circulating on social media about the incident, and according to posts that I saw on social media, I got the understanding that a man who was in the motor vehicle that plunged into the river was rescued by one or two females who you can see in a video that is circulating on social media. Now, some persons might call those females who you can see in the video that is circulating on social media lifesavers, viewers and subscribers, alright? And I'm going to present that video to you so that you can have a better understanding about the situation. Now, please bear in mind that some of the scenes in this video might not be suitable for everyone. Viewer discretion is advised. Here's the video, take a look, listen, observe, and you can also tell me what you think.
Dad, I think I come out with one. Dad, no, you wouldn't.
Look like a cover this one. Everybody so like this one. The vehicle was dead and everybody.
Save a life. Real life saver.
And she look like she have a lifesaver.
Life saver. See you next one there. Life saver then. Life saver then. Come on, you're a life saver. Life saver, see how there? She a life saver.
Swim.
Two women them save my life.
Janus,
see there? Carry the way out this one.
Viewers and subscribers, whenever somebody does something good, it's good to let other people know about the good. Just as much as how we see some bad things that circulate on social media. Yeah. So big up to those females who were involved in the rescue of that person, viewers and subscribers. Again, I don't know how many persons was in the motor vehicle, but You know, me just give you the information according to how I get them and as accurate as how I get them. See me I say, so please bear in mind that there might be more details to this whole situation than I have explained to you, my viewers and subscribers. And yes, I'm gonna leave it. So until next time, if you're new to my channel, don't be afraid to click the subscribe button. I'm name Dancehall Skilla. Wanna big up on yourself, you see it.
Hey, my youth, you know what you watch? Dancehall.